Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you more daily work from home job leads. These job leads are non-phone or data entry based. I know from the comments that's what most people want. I have 5 companies that are hiring, all for non-phone positions. Now, all 5 of these are for my United States folks only. My international folks, I am working on a video for you. I am trying to find job leads just for you. But with that being said, if there's anything specific that you are looking for, please feel free to leave that in the comments, as I'm always reading that and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But so we don't make today's video very long, let's just dive on in. First up, we have the company Striker. They are hiring a data entry clerk to work remote. Now, this data entry position is a little bit technical because it is dealing with cyber security. It says the role will perform data entry tasks requested by management. You'll be trained in any task that you're asked to perform, but the responsibilities of this job are to complete the cybersecurity questionnaires in support of sales. You'll monitor the incoming cybersecurity requests in a dedicated tracking tool. You'll prioritize the incoming request with internal business leaders. You'll mine that information for the archives. You'll coordinate the final review. You'll log any issues that you have, and you'll keep current on all required corporate training. So this job requires you to have great attention to detail, excellent verbal and written communication skills, the ability to demonstrate ownership and integrity of work. You have to have competent computer skills, including Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, and they want someone who already has experience with the Jira issue tracking software. It does require a high school diploma, but no college degree is required. Now, as far as pay, it says pay starts anywhere from $20.24 an hour all the way up to $26.98 an hour. Plus, you have eligible additional bonuses, and then they offer standard benefit package including health, vision, dental, 401k, and employee assistance programs. Now, the next 2 positions are from the same company, BairesDev. This company hires a lot of work from home job positions. They do a lot of chat and data entry. So first up, they have a customer service representative. This is non-phone through their chat, and this is remote work from home. Now, as far as what you'll be doing, you'll be connected to their chat system during your working hours, and you'll answer all persons connecting to their chat system, getting the relevant information from them. You'll perform searches on the web to find leads and company contact information for those requests, and then you'll upload data of the new leads to the system database, and you'll forward any information needed on to other teams. Now, it is important to note the schedule for this position. It is Monday through Friday. Most of the times are 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. With a little deviation on Monday, you only work 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Now, the requirements for this position are to have 3 to 5 years experience as data entry or sales. They do prefer someone who has experience in sales, but you do have to be detail-oriented and deadline-driven and have great English skills. Now, it does say they offer excellent compensation above market average, but unfortunately, they do not list what that compensation is. It's dependent on location and experience, so you will have to ask them that at the time of the interview. And so that same company, BairesDev, is also hiring a data entry specialist to work remote. So as a data entry specialist, you'll support the recruiting area in identification and initial contact of potential candidates for their searches. You'll propose new alternatives to identify candidates. You'll identify opportunities for improvement. You'll manage the notices in different portals that they work in, and you'll identify and analyze professional profiles within those data portals. It does require you to be proactive and have the ability to work in a team, great attention to detail, advanced English, and if you have 1 year of previous work experience, that is a plus. Now it says not only do they offer 100% remote work from home, they offer hardware set up for you to work from home. So they provide the equipment for you. It says they offer flexible hours. This one you can make your own schedule. They do offer a benefit package including vacation and holidays. And unfortunately, this one also does not list the pay. You will have to ask them at the time of the interview. Now, moving right along, North American Bancard Holdings is hiring a data entry quality assurance specialist. So not only will you be doing data entry, but you'll be checking things against quality. So you'll review newly approved merchant account details to ensure and maintain the data integrity within their system. You'll verify that the key data information that is needed is accurate in all systems and it matches what was put on the merchant application. You'll identify and execute corrections for inaccurate information, and it says you might also perform special projects as assigned. Now, this does require a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. Payment industry experience is preferred but not required. What is required is that you have a strong attention to detail, the ability to communicate feedback and information both verbally and in written, the ability to work with speed and accuracy, and great organizational skills. They also want someone who has the flexibility in their work schedule so that you can accommodate their business needs. Now again, this one did not list the pay. You would have to ask that at the time of the interview. And last but not least, this one is a little bit different, but is still non-phone. We have the company PandaDoc hiring an email marketing specialist. So they are looking for an experienced email marketer to drive engagement with their audience across the customer journey. So that means identifying new audiences to grow their existing database of contacts, assisting in the personalization of their user databases, working with marketing operations to ensure database cleanliness, report overall success of email campaigns across the platforms, gather data daily, weekly, and monthly. You'll work with the email marketing manager to come up with company email playbook for all teams, and you'll execute all the email setup, troubleshooting, and resolve the potential issues. Now, they are looking for someone who's 2 to 3 years of hands-on experience managing email marketing campaigns, someone who has worked in HubSpot, Salesforce, or Google Analytics before, someone who knows how to manage multiple email campaigns that spans various audience types like subscribers, trial users, actual customers who have purchased something in the past. They want someone who is a team player, who has exceptional skills in written communication, and who has the ability to work quickly and turn things around quickly. Now, they did not list the pay for this position. However, they do have benefits and career growth opportunities. It says they do offer a competitive salary, they offer health benefits, they offer company paid life and disability, and paid time off and 401k plans. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.